Difference between global, server, session and window options. The tmux manual discusses various types of options, for example global options, server options and so on. The question "where's the default tmux configuration file?" also refers to some of these types of configuration. Some of these types are easy to understand. Window options deal with things that relate only to a single window. For example, allow rename. Windows have names, sessions do not. For other types, however, the distinction is not very clear. What is the difference between server options, set option S; global session options, set option G; session options, set option; global window options, set window option G; window options, set window option? Also, what are the inheritance rules for these types?
There are three distinct classes of options: server, session, and window. These classes are exclusive. Each option belongs to only one of the classes. There is never any inheritance between the option classes. There is only one level of server options, so there is no inheritance there, although you can have multiple, independent servers using the L or S command line flags. The session and window options each use a two-level hierarchy. The global session, window, options provide default values for session, window, options that are unset. Session and window options are all initially unset, so new sessions/windows will automatically use the global session/window option values. When a session option is set option, the newly set value will override the global value for that session. To go back to using the global value, unset the option, set option new. Changes to the global session option values will affect all sessions in which that option is currently unset. The same idea applies to the window options, except setting a window option overrides the value for an individual window instead of an individual session. For example, to find the effective value for the base index session option for a particular session, check the session's base index option, i.e. what you get from Next target session show options base index. If the session has a base index value, then use it. If the session's value is not set, then use the global value, i.e. what you get from next show options G base index. Similarly, to find the effective value for the mode keys window option for a particular window, check the Windows mode keys option, i.e. what you get from next target window show options W mode keys. If the window has a mode keys value, then use it. If the window's value is not set, then use the global value, i.e. what you get from next show options GW mode keys. Older versions of tmux do not accept an option name argument for show options. With those versions you will have to do something like grep for it, next target show options, grep caret base index dot. This is the same as next show window options base index, if you like that better. The related command for the global window options is next show window options G base index. Here is a diagram.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.